Hello and welcome to our new video, everyone. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two of the most prominent AI website builders in 2024, 10Web AI Builder and Elementor. 10Web takes website building to the next level with its AI-driven approach, offering users an intelligent assistant to streamline the design process. With 10Web AI Builder, you can create stunning websites in minutes, thanks to its intuitive interface and advanced automation features. From designing layouts to optimizing content, 10Web AI Builder does it all with ease. On the other hand, we have Elementor, a well-established website builder known for its versatility and user-friendly interface. Elementor has been a favorite among WordPress users for years, offering a wide range of features and customization options. With its drag-and-drop editor and extensive library of templates and widgets, Elementor empowers users to create beautiful websites without any coding knowledge. When it comes to features, both 10Web AI Builder and Elementor have a lot to offer. 10Web stands out with its AI-powered design assistant, which analyzes your content and suggests layouts and styles based on your preferences. On the other hand, Elementor shines with its extensive library of templates, widgets, and customization options, giving users full control over every aspect of their website design. In terms of usability, both platforms are relatively easy to use, with intuitive interfaces that cater to users of all skill levels. However, 10Web's AI-driven approach streamlines the design process even further, making it ideal for users who want to create stunning websites quickly and efficiently. Elementor, on the other hand, offers more flexibility and customization options, allowing users to fine-tune every aspect of their website design to perfection. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in trying out 10Web AI Builder or Elementor for yourself, be sure to check out the links in the description below. We'll see you again soon.